This is why you need to appreciate the bald eagle, not just as America's national symbol, but as a testament to nature's resilience and beauty. Every year on June 20th, we celebrate American Eagle Day, honoring the mighty bald eagle. Now let's dive deep into the story of this incredible bird, y'all. Once upon a time, more than 100,000 nesting pairs of bald eagles ruled the vast American skies. But by the mid-20th century, this powerful bird was dang near extinction. Loss of habitat, hunting, and harmful pesticides had taken their toll. But folks, this story turns around with a bit of hope and hard work. Thanks to the Endangered Species Act, these grand birds started making a remarkable comeback. By 2007, our bald eagles were no longer seen as threatened. That's something worth celebrating, don't you think? Now, these eagles aren't just survivors. They're a living testament to the spirit of this nation. Thriving near rivers and lakes, they snatch fish with a grace that'll stop you in your tracks. And did you all know? Bald eagles ain't really bald. Their name comes from an old term meaning white-headed. And here's a fact that'll ruffle your feathers. The largest bald eagle nest ever found was about 20 feet deep and 9.5 feet wide, weighing over 2 tons. Can you imagine that? So today, let's tip our hats to these symbols of America. Not just because they're our national emblem, but because they remind us what it means to endure, to adapt, and to soar, no matter the odds. Here's to many more years of watching these magnificent birds ruling the skies.